Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Study with Radhika. In the previous video, we have learned how to draw a spinning square using broadcast messages. There we have used start and stop button. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw a spiral shapes and circular geometrical shapes. So let's begin. So let's start. Here first change the sprite, select any sprite. Suppose I selected this butterfly and click on OK. Cat is unnecessary here, so go to the delete button and delete the cat. If you want to change the background, go to the backdrop library and select any background. Here our sprite and backdrop is ready to use. So let's start scripting. First, we have to give some instruction to our computer that when we will click on green flag, then only the program execution should start. So, drag green flag clicked. Then after, go to the pen block, drag clear, drag pen up. Here, I have to set a length of our figure. So, make a variable called as length and click on OK. Length blocks are ready to use. From here, drag set length to 1. Then after, go to the motion block, drag go to the x coordinate and y coordinate. Take a 0, 0. By using this block, we are setting the position on the stage. Then after, go to the pen block, pen down. Once you have used pen up, it is necessary to use pen down. If you want to set the pen color and pen size, so you can select and drag from here, set pen color to suppose 25 and set pen size suppose 3. Now go to the control block, drag repeat block. Here how many times you want to repeat it. Suppose I selected 1000. Then go to the motion block, move. Here instead of 10 step, go to the data block and drag length. Move length steps. Then after, change length by 0.01. Go to the motion block and turn in the clockwise direction by 5 degrees. If you want to change your pen color, so you can change the pen color by suppose 2. Now here our coding is ready. So let's click on green flag and check our code is right or wrong. Slowly butterfly is moving and drawing the figure very nicely. So many different colors are coming in the circular form. If you want a single color or particular color, you can set it by using color codes. Here I use 25 color code, means 25 colors are coming in the circle. So here our spiral circular shape is ready. Like this, you can draw a different spiral shapes also. This is a circular shape. Now we are going to draw a square shape. For that, we have to go to event, when click, pen, clear, and go to the motion and point in the direction 90 degree. By clicking on this code, the stage will clear without deleting the background and sprite. If you want to see the change, see. Now here if you want to change the background, you can change the background by clicking on backdrop library and choose blue skies. Okay. If you want to change the sprite, that also you can change, but here I am keeping the same. Go to the event block, drag when green flag click, again go to the pen, clear block, pen up. Here set length. Most of the blocks are same as a circular shape only we have to change some angles. Then go to the pen down, then set pen color. Suppose here I am setting the pen color by 0 and pen size by 2. Now go to the control block, drag repeat. How many times you want to repeat, that number you should type here, and go to the motion block, move 10 instead of 10 steps, drag length, move length steps, then again change length by 2 and go to the motion block and turn by 90 degree, because square figure has 90 degree angle. And here our code is ready to use. So let's start execution. Clearly you can see here a red color square spiral is ready here. Like this you can use a different colors and pen size and draw a circular circle or a square spiral. Now our next figure is very interesting, that is called a circular geometrical figure. So let's start drawing. Click on clear point and direction 90 degree. Change the sprite from here, which sprite you needed. Suppose this one. Click on OK. This one delete it. Go to the choose background from the library. Okay, let's start scripting for the circular geometrical shape. Go to the event, drag when click, green flag, go to the motion block, set the position on the stage by 0 0. Go to the clear block, then pen down, go to the control block and drag repeat. How many times you want to repeat? Suppose 20. And here now we have to define a draw circle block to draw a circles on the stage. So go to the more block and make a block called as draw circle and click on OK. Here we define draw circle, so we are eligible to drag a draw circle block in our repeat block. Then after go to the motion block, turn in the direction 20 degree. Go to the pen block and change here pen color by 25. Now here we use this draw circle block, so we have to define some different codes for that to draw a circle. So go to the control block, drag repeat block, repeat 90 times and go to the motion block, move 4 steps and turn in 4 degrees. Here our code is ready. We have defined a draw circle block, and now we are going to start by clicking on green flag. Slowly it's get changing. Nicely it's making a different color circle. So nicely we have completed our figure, a circular geometrical shape. Here backdrop is too dark to see this color, so change the background to the light color by going to the costume, clicking on background, take a white background and see the figure is completed here. Like this you can draw a circular geometrical shapes or circular spiral shapes or square spiral shapes by using these codes in the Scratch programming. So in the next video I will tell you how to create a stories in a Scratch. Till then, make a different spinning and spiral shapes and have a fun. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.